Hey lovies, welcome back to another delicious recipe, and on today's recipe we are going to be making my favorite Spanish snacks, which is churros. Yes guys, we are going to be making this delicious homemade churros. So do check out the description box so you can get the full list and measurement of all the ingredients we're going to be using. So to my pot I will add in a cup of water and allow it to boil. I will go ahead and add in my butter, a pinch of salt, brown sugar, and I will add in the flour and I will give it a nice stir. So I'm going to be stirring the flour in a medium heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. So guys, when I'm done stirring it for about 3 minutes, I will set it aside and put it in my bowl to cool down for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes of allowing the dough to cool, I will go ahead and add in 1 egg, and I will use my spoon to mix it up properly. So right now I'll go ahead and add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, which is optional. So if you don't want to use your spoon to mix it up, you can go ahead to use your hand whisk, which you can see over there in one of my other churros that I made earlier before now. So right now go ahead again and add in 1 egg. So you have to add in your egg bit by bit. You don't have to put the 2 eggs at a time. So I'll keep on mixing it until I get that nice consistency, until the egg gets to mix properly with the dough. So right now I'm okay. I'm going to set it aside and get my icing piping nozzle, which I'm going to be using. If you don't have this, you can also use your churros machine if you have one. So I will put in my nozzle in my icing bag, and I will go ahead and add in the churros dough into the bag. So guys, do make sure you double up your bag if you don't want it to get burst while trying to make your churros. So right now I will put in my vegetable oil in my pot and I will allow it to hot. So when I notice it's hot, I'm going to start making my churros. Yeah, so I will cut off the mouth of the bag and I will go ahead and start pressing the dough out from the So at this moment you want your fire to be on a medium heat because you don't want your churros to get burnt. Yeah, so I will keep on pressing the dough out from the icing nozzle so I can get that nice shaped churros. So at this moment my churro is ready and I will go ahead to continue to make the other batch of my churros. Yeah, so guys, if you did enjoy watching this recipe, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit on that like button, and also do help me to click on that red subscribe button. Click on the bell icon that goes with it. That way you will be notified anytime I post delicious and interesting recipe like this. And also don't forget to drop me a comment letting me know if you enjoyed watching, and also if you are going to make some churros in your house. Yeah, so right now I just mix in some sugar and canela, which is cinnamon. I'm going to be mixing it with my churros, and Allah, vamos add fruta, ole, ole y ole los churritos. Bien calentito con chocolatito muy caliente. Okay guys, till I see you on my next recipe. Do have a lovely day. Do have a beautiful day. Bye bye.